What do you think of Elon Musk living in a box that he bought on Amazon?
I think Elon Musk is a strange bird. I have tons of respect for the man. I love anybody that works their ass off all the time, that sacrifices everything for business, because I've done that my whole life. You know, I can't keep a wife because of that problem. You know, that's my problem with women, is I don't put them before my job. Well, that's Elon Musk. You know, he ain't putting them before his job, and you know, the job is so important to him. He's fine with sleeping on a job site in a box and getting the job done rather than going somewhere else, because his goal is not the finer things in life. Not that he don't have the finer things in life, but that's not his biggest goal. His biggest goal is success. His biggest goal is to make a difference in the world. I mean, it's just different. Some people are about all greed. I mean, I'm not saying it ain't, but I don't think that's him as a whole. I mean, it seems like he puts himself out there all the time with financial burdens and stuff that he don't have to try and make the world a better place. Hats off to that.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah, he's badass.
All right.
Hell yeah.